Hindu push-ups. This is also known as Indian push-ups. This compound body weight exercise targets to strengthen your shoulders and chest muscles. This is also a good spinal mobility and core muscle strengthening exercise. Initial position is a downward facing dog pose, with your hands shoulder width distance apart, your body in an inverted V position, and your feet farther than hip width distance apart for better base of support. Activate your core muscles and straighten your back. Bend your elbows and lower your chest until it is just above and nearly touching the floor, going towards a low plank position. Straighten your arms. Lift your torso and go into an upward facing dog pose. Lower your torso, lift your hips, and return to downward facing dog pose. Repeat until the set is complete.